Look at that. Wow. Hi, my name's Jermaine Whitehead Bailey, and welcome to Try My Chow.
So today, guys, I'm gonna teach you how to cook the tomahawk the Brazilian way. Come with me. We're gonna give it a nice layer of coarse sea salt. That's gonna actually enhance out the flavor of the steak. You wanna have this nice crust of sea salt on both sides. This is one of the techniques we use here at Kamakito Brazilian Steakhouse in Leominster. We get some nice wood chips, hickory, that's being soaked in water for at least 12 hours. And we put it all over our charcoal. So it's gonna give that nice smokiness flavor that you'll never forget. So guys, when you're cooking this, you don't need to be afraid that that's gonna be super salty, all right? Obviously, we're dealing here with a piece of meat that's about 1.5 inches thick, 32 ounces, of a massive tomahawk. And if you cook it, you just want to kind of brush the salt off, and just the flavor is going to stick to the meat. That's the reason why I'm being very generous here on my seasoning. Since we get the grill nice and hot, we are going to give it a nice hard sear on both sides, and my goal today is to get this to medium. Can you hear this? Ooh, I can't wait. This is going to come out beautiful. Now, it looks like that we got that nice hard sear that you're looking for. So I'm just gonna flip it, and looks like that this one is good too. The reason you see all this fire going, obviously we get that beautiful fat being burned down right now. Let's see how these babies are doing. Ooh, wow. Try my chow.
So right now, all we're doing is dressing the steak to go out for presentation for the customer. So right here, we got a little bit of pea shoots, Brussels sprouts, a little garlic confit, a little marinated onions, peppers, inside a little bit of chimichurri, and garlic confit. So right here, we got 2 tomahawk steaks. I'm differentiating that this is the mid-well, and then I'm differentiating this is the medium, that's why I put the pepper on top. Right now, I'm putting on coarse sea salt to give it a little bit more crunch and to pop the flavor when the clients eat it. You guys ready for me?
Oh yeah.
All right, okay. All right, guys, I got this nice sweet tomahawk over here. Let me get your plate over here.
I went to see the Red Sox over at Fenway Park. I gotta park my car, can't find a place to park. I just broke the law, cause I had a great happy hour. Now my car's buried in snow, I'll need that soup for sure. But Beacon Hill is the spot, my homie's going to be you. In Little Italy in North End.